Yeah, imagine guys, you are just watching a favorite show, you are just in a movie box, Netflix, then your device shows the black screen of money. I mean what? Soft lock. So soft lock is there, device is locked, you need to unlock. What will you do? Okay, actually, I'll have to pay. I don't have cash, my account is reading zero. So I have to put the phone under my bed because it will become my pillow for now for the next 5 days before I get the 100 I pay. Because imagine you are struggling to get food and also you are struggling to pay 100 daily to these guys. And they don't care and there's no negotiation, they can't lower the price. So guys, I'm thinking, what can I do in order to unlock my device? Hawa watu wa Mkopa waniona kama matakwa yao. And because innovation is the key and science and being smart and working smart always. So guys, I'm going to show you how to unlock the device permanently. Without wastage of time, let's go to the video. So once your device is locked, click connectivity settings, then press the center button. Okay, najua unajiuliza my phone doesn't have a center button. Okay, we're supposed to install an application that is called navigation bar. So before your phone locked, you should have installed this. If your phone is the other model that if you install an app, it restarts. This won't work for you, but there's a way on this same video ahead. You will skip this step, then you go ahead. So if you press the circle button, it will go to settings. About my phone, it is a Mkopa X20. The RAM is 6 GB. Wow, amazing. This phone is just so cheap. Buy it, you come and unlock it, you use it the way you want. So guys, go to apps, find Mkopa app, clear data. Why? Because if you manage to bypass using this method, if you open Mkopa app, the device will lock. Click not now. As you can see, it is saying phone is locked. Don't say I've paid. So go and clear data, storage and kaki. Clear all data in this your, this is called what? Oh, Mkopa, yeah. In this your Mkopa app. Have you done that? Okay. Oh, you are watching while doing. Okay. Oh, don't download the video. Yeah, why download the video? Don't download the video. You can just watch it there. So once you do that, you have managed to clear the storage. Oh yeah, Mkopa, they are calling. Why am I not paying the device? Okay, just tell them your device entered in water. So now you can see if I open Mkopa app, it is saying login. It wants me to log in, but no, I'm not going to log in. What do I need Mkopa while I can unlock the device myself? Now I go to all apps. Since the phone has a RAM of 6, the first step for those their devices, they restart. So go to open the achiever. You must have the achiever installed. That was before device got locked. Before device got locked, you should have installed the achiever. Then on my previous video, I had said copy soft lock and paste it in a file. The video before this one, I had shown how to copy soft lock. So if you haven't copied your soft lock, go there, copy soft lock, bring it where it is required to be. For my case, I put the soft lock in notification folder, and that is where I'm going to be accessing it when my device is locked. You only need to do this once. If your device is locked, you can do it before the device gets locked. Just install it. Such that if you go to settings, it will say app installed from the achiever. Right? Okay. She is now misbehaving. So guys, I was saying, if Mkopa they call you, tell them the device is locked, right? Tell them you lost the device. Mostly tell them the device entered in water. They cannot lock it if it is in water. Okay, now I was thinking, this app is displaying of other apps. What type of an app is this? So for now, before earlier, the app was just a very simple app. You could see it in settings, you could clear the data, but now you can't even stop the app. Why? Because it is working with the system UI and the Android OS. It is a part of the OS. If you manage to go to battery usage and Android operating system, you will see that soft lock is running there. This phone is Android 14. Okay, now immediately I'm installing, it has closed, it has unlocked. Wow, then it locks. So there we are. So once I see this, see, click there on top, minimize, click there on top, then there on top, then it will open settings there, app info. You can see that is how to open the settings of soft lock when the device is locked. So now you can see that it has been opened. So display of other apps, it is supposed to be not allowed. Let's go back there, modifying system settings, ensure it is not allowed, and then installing unknown apps, it should not be allowed, because after this method soft lock will be locking. Immediately it locks, you will just click the square button. Once you click the square button, click, you swipe up, you swipe up, you close soft lock. Right now I'm going to fill the RAM. How? Okay, before guys, you are asking if your device is locked and the 3 buttons there, they have disappeared. I'm using this app to ensure my buttons do not disappear. It is called navigation bar. It is found on Play Store, so I prefer you can install the one I'm having, because let's have same things. Navigation bar, this one is in Play Store, and sure you have it. Once you install it, go to accessibility settings, set it to be an admin, not an admin. I think set it so that it can display of other apps, and also it can show the 3 buttons there. Once that is done, I don't stop the app, and ensure the app is always running, because your device will lock and we need to close soft lock. How? You click the square button and you swipe up. Okay, now with that done, let's move to the next phase of our unlocking. So I said, if you haven't subscribed, ensure you subscribe, and don't skip the video. Skip the video at your own risk, because you'll skip an important step, then you go commenting there, Mr. Tech, this method is not working. And it is not working because of yourself. For those with the small devices, that is Nokia C22, Nokia C32, the ones with the small RAM, start opening apps. Even the big ones, if you have Mkopa X20, open a lot of apps. Why? The moment you open a lot of apps, you fill your RAM. That is, the speed of your phone slows down, because soft lock depends on the speed of your phone. That's why on the latest model, that is Mkopa X20 and X2, they are prioritized and made soft lock to work very fast, ensuring that the device is running very fast. That's why you can't block soft lock. But in this video, I'm going to show you the opposite of blocking soft lock. So now start opening apps. Let me find my Call of Duty and open it. Dark tunnel. Yeah, we also have free internet. We use dark tunnel and some VPN files there to access free internet from Safaricom. Oh, Safaricom, have you heard that? Oh, Safaricom, I just use IP only. Okay, let's back to Mkopa. Okay, it has locked again. Click open. Open many apps. So for my case, I'm just opening any app I see. Just opening and opening and opening and opening. Yeah, and guys, please subscribe. Buy me tea. Yeah, it's chilly here as I make this video. I'm just getting bored. Since I know about security services, and as I said, this video is for educational purposes only, I'm just warning, do not update your device. After unlocking, do not update, because those guys who I helped you with Lucky Patcher, you unlocked soft lock 4.36, you are very happy, and after unlocking, guys, forgot about me totally. Everybody went on his own way. So you can send me some support, even by me too, so because the next moment you update your device to soft lock 5.7, I will help you how to bypass for free. So guys, I'm starting to open apps. Ensure subscribe, please. Subscription is the minimum support you can offer. Like the video, please comment to me, tell me where you encountered an issue, and I'll tell you how to fix it. I'll be replying under that minutes on this video only. The other videos, I don't know if I will reply. Okay, let's leave that again. Open many apps. Okay, let me play Call of Duty as we unlock the device. Where's my Call of Duty? So don't update. I said don't update your device. Okay, the moment I open, you can see if I open an app, the device locks. If I open another one, device locked. If I open, device locks. So we continue doing that. That is what is called filling RAM. That is random access memory. Do you know how random access memory works? It works this way. It stores negative charges, either 1 or 0. So if it is a 1, then a 0, then a 0, then a 0. So that is what you are seeing now. These are stored charges, 1 and 0. So if soft lock is going to be stored over 50 times, what will happen? Nothing will happen, because if an activity is the same, just fetch the old one. The RAM doesn't create a new activity. Noops. Okay. So there we are. Now you are wondering, when will the device be unlocked? Okay, let me play Call of Duty. It cannot play. Okay, now I have a lot of apps running. If I check my phone, I told you it is Mkopa X20. I'm not going to pay. Just look closely. You know, somebody is going to say, you are doing that, then you have another phone there, you pay. No, I'm not going to pay. So I'm going to let the device lock itself. We repeat it. It's the device while it is locking. We repeat over 50 times. It locks, we repeat. It locks, we repeat. So that you guys can see I'm not going to pay. No, evidence matters. So I want you guys to confirm the device is not paid at all. So the first time it will lock, then unlock. I will put the lock on again so that you can see I haven't paid. And remember, if you unlock the first time, you have to do the unlock around 6 times. This is because if you do one time, it will stay 5 minutes, it locks. Remember, like Ipacha on my old channel, it used to stay 7 hours, then it locks. But this one, oh, this is forever. You will just be clicking the square button, you swipe up. Okay, for those guys that if your phone is Nokia C22 and it happens that if you install a new app, the phone is going to restart. So for your case, you are going to start somewhere else. I know you have been following the video, but don't skip, because there's a place where your case will merge together. So that's why in this video, if your device is this Nokia C22, you restart, the phone goes off. In this same video, as we continue going forward, there's a place where the method you can start from there on your Nokia C22 without any issue, because I know installing even the navigation bar is a problem, but you can try to install and see if the error is fixed. But the most important thing, it is the device not locking, right? Okay, now, okay, modify system settings block. Do not allow that. Now we are there, the device is locked. Okay, waiter, bring water. Oh, thank you. Okay, so guys, I'm wondering, if I try to do this, the device pops up very fast. So let's continue with the method as we continue processing it. Now, I want to close soft lock and disable it. So guys, you can see very well, soft lock has no authority. It's just a simple app. You know, an application cannot disturb a phone. So guys, actually now I'm trying to exit the program. You can see it is still not working, but don't lose hope, because we are only 13 minutes in the video, and as I said, the video is a bit longer but worth it, because you can see already Mkopa app we have disabled, and there's no need for payment. Those who are thinking that we will pay, no paying. What do I mean? I'm saying there's no need to pay for the device. It will get unlocked permanently without need for you to pay, and you will also be allowed to call and do everything on your phone. For now, on the first stages, you'll notice that the device is refusing to accept calls. It is saying emergency calls, but you will see yourself, because you know, yeah, something that is worth it, let it be worth it. So guys, subscribe, like, and share to your friends. Okay, now next step. Now, okay, I'm playing Call of Duty. Almost lost my apps. You can see I almost lost my apps. Not my apps, I meant the back button. So I think I'm going to close all apps, then start again, because there's nothing else I'm thinking of doing. So right now you're asking if calls are allowed. Yes. So you'll clear all data, not all data, I mean clear all apps, all running apps, to allow calls, because if you don't do that, soft lock will remain running in the background. But in this case, we want it to be disabled permanently. without soft lock ever coming again. You can see now it is soft lock 5.25. Enable that, then disable. You can see it is closing, then it is coming, closing, then it is coming, closing, then it is coming. As you can see, guys, I need it to be offline, but I want to be able to use the device when I'm online, because there's no need for you to deactivate the soft lock. Then when you put on Wi-Fi or data connection, the device locks. No, we don't need that to happen. We need it to be permanently. So click up info. Okay, we go to settings. Sorry, I'm tired. I'm opening TikTok. It is misbehaving. Because soft lock has the pretension of becoming an admin app. That is, by the way, guys, if you don't know, on your device you are a guest user. On your device, it is your phone, yes, but you are a guest user. How? If you try to reset this device using some apps, just go to Play Store, search for reset phone. If you try to reset, the phone will tell you what? User 0 does any, it means there's another user who is user 0, then you are user 1. So if you count from numbers, 0 is the first number, going to 1, then to 2, then 3, 4, like that. You are user 1. Then there's a user 0 who is the admin user. That is the Mkopa people. So they think they are smart. You can see. But now, guys, I'm going to show you, even though you are not becoming the user 0, you are still user 1, but with elevated privileges. Even if you won't be able to uninstall Mkopa app, at least you can clear the data of Mkopa and use your device without locking. How? I know you guys are wondering. Okay, now it has unlocked. Can you see? It is not locking. Let's give some time so that it can lock. Can see I can use it very well. Then it locks. So, guys, hope now, guys, you have started to see some light. Because unaona Mkopa waniona kama matokeo, because the moment I did that, oh fuck. Yeah, the moment I did that, the lock just popped up again. So we'll do it again and again. Don't lose hope. Again and again and again. Then clear data in all the system apps. Then wait, and boom, the device gets unlocked. So we have done the first phase. You guys have seen very well. The device has unlocked. No one can say I had paid. Don't say I had paid, because before you started watching this video, you did not know if you can close the soft lock. Did you know? Actually, you never knew. I just shown you how. So let's continue again. Another step. So before you start this, if your device is unlocked now, go to settings, disable, modify system settings, display of other apps, and install apps. Go and modify that. Before, ensure it is off. Also, open supported links and ensure it is disabled. Then on battery settings of the device, there's optimized battery usage, unrestricted and restricted. Ensure soft lock is restricted. That's why I said skip this video at your own risk. That is a tip I just gave out. Okay, let's continue. Now from this source, close. You're going to redo the process like 6 times. Even on your phone, you'll do like 6 times so that your phone cannot lock again. Hope you're understanding, guys. So with that, let's go and do it again. It is refusing because I think modify system, I left it on. Let me see if I can disable it. And first I'll have to close these all apps. Okay, now the people of Nokia C22 and the other phone with small RAMs, the ones which are restarting, I think this is your point now. You can enter the video now. From here you can start watching. What do I mean you can start watching? Why? Because now at this moment, by the way, guys, I just spoon fed you all data and information that you need. Okay, still counting timer. Check status. Let's wait for the timer to end. There we are. The timer is up. There. Modify system settings. It is allowed. No, it is not allowed. Okay, there it has unlocked again. As you can see, guys, you see that is the second unlocking. You can see we have unlocked again. Let's give it some time so that it can lock, because I know those guys are going to send information. Lock the device now, lock the device. Why the device not locking? They're going to send. So if they send like 5 times, the device cannot lock again. So I know they are going to send. Now they have already sent the information. It is coming. I know the device is about to lock. Let's wait and see. They should have locked now. Hey Mkopa, what are you waiting for? Soft lock. I meant lock the device. Wow, it is not locking, but this is not over, because I know it is supposed to lock. There we are. So you have seen, guys, soft lock popped again. Did I tell you that soft lock will come again? It is because it is scripted to do so. If it locks 5 times unsuccessfully, the device cannot lock again. You'll have to wait for almost 6 hours, 7 hours, 10 hours, 1 day, so that it can retry to lock again. Are you understanding me, guys? Hope I have delivered the point home. You try to unlock the first time, it refuses. Soft lock is acting very strict. You try again 20 times, locking and unlocking. It is trying every time, it is failing. So the logs are just being recorded. Failed to lock, failed to lock, failed to lock, failed to lock over many times. So the next time, soft lock will not try to lock, because it has already recorded many failures. It has to cool down, it has to wait. So once it waits, it waits, then the device will stay unlocked. Do you get? Soft lock is just there deactivated. It is just waiting for some minutes to pass. So for the first time, it took only 10 seconds, then it locked. The second time, as you saw, it did not take 10 seconds. It took almost 25 seconds before the lock appeared again. So for the third time, it will take more time. For the 5th time, it will take more time. For the 9th time, it will take forever. You see, now it has unlocked again. This is the third time you have unlocked. So guys, you can see very well, we have managed to unlock it again. And it's very simple, just playing the permissions. You see it has now locked, but with locking, it has just disabled the calls, and the notification bar has disappeared. Only that. You can see my notification bar has disappeared. Only that has been disabled. You can see now the phone, we can still use it, but the phone is locked. So let's give the time soft lock to think. Is it locking the device? What is happening to the device? So soft lock right now, it is just receiving logs. The Mkopa guys are updating the information on soft lock. Just receiving updates, receiving. Now it is receiving updates, and it is wondering what's wrong with the device. Everybody is also wondering. So the IT admin is wondering, wow, I've never received so many logs. And because it is a human who will receive the logs, and they are lazy, what will they do? They will ignore the logs. Once they ignore, you can unlock the device. You can see now it is taking more time. The first one, it took 10 seconds. Now this one has taken almost about, the second one took about 25. Now this one is already 1 minute has passed without locking. So I'm trying to call myself. I see if it can call myself. Mr. Tech, call. If I try to call, it cannot call. Can you see? Only emergency calls are allowed. This is because this is the third unlock. I said don't skip the process. You can see this is third unlock, and progress is being made. Now it has to take almost 2 minutes so that it can lock. Note, guys, just note. So every time we do this, the time of locking increases. This is because it has recorded 20 failures of locking the device. What will happen next? It will take some time off. Then it will record another one. It is just sending the data to the Mkopa guys. They are not replying. They are not trying to debug the phone. So it takes another 25 minutes to cool down. Then after doing this, now it is recording failures. You can see every time I close, it is closing up. And the phone also is a system, Android system policy says that there's no an app that should be able to lock the user out of the phone. That's why this app is not in Play Store. Because by creating an app that will lock the user out of the phone, it is breaking laws and Android policy. So, but this is soft lock, and it is a device management, and it is an MDM app, and it is allowed. So guys, let's continue. As I said, look very closely. Now I want you guys to see as we increase the timer. Every second we do this, the timer gets increasing. That's why I say don't skip the app. I know most of you guys are forwarding the video and increasing the speed. You can play the video at the speed of two times the normal speed, but ensure you don't skip any part, because the last part you will skip it. You will comment there, Mr. Tech, I do not understand what is happening, because I'm just wasting my time here trying to explain to you, and you are just fast forwarding the video. Fast forward at your own risk, because I might just decide to display something and you did not watch. Just skip to the end to see the device got unlocked. Right, the device will get unlocked. Wait and see. So guys, already we have seen some progress. So there we are. Now I'm trying to confuse soft lock again. I'm playing the 3 permissions. That is modify settings. Play with those permissions. Modify settings, allow installation of unknown apps, unlock pin, and the other permission, the display of other apps. Play with those 3 permissions. Now let's give it some time. There we are, allow from this source. Continue doing that for some time. So guys, I'm going to take some break. Yeah, it has unlocked again. There we are. Let's wait for it to lock. Okay, let's wait. It should lock. System apps. There we are, unlocked again. There we are, let's wait. So guys, I think we have just made a lot of progress so far. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. This is a lot of hard work I'm showing you right now. I did not just wake up knowing this method. It took me a lot of time to know. So I'll be very appreciative guys if you subscribed there, left a like, and shared this video to your friends. If you encounter an issue, I shall be there to help you guys. Subscribe, like, send to your friends, comment there, and I'll reply as soon as possible. So guys, thank you for watching. Share this video to your friends. Feel very appreciated. Bye guys. Okay, wait just a moment. Those who are stealing my videos, please stop stealing my videos. You are lying to people. You are me and you are not me. Don't steal my video. This is Mr. Tech, also Link Tech. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.